All right, it's time to open up shop. We're in Da Nang today, and oh wait, what's this? Welcome to the cribs of Da Nang. I'm your host, the realist. Follow me in. All right. As you can see, this is a pretty unique setup. It's actually a house inside. A lot of these houses on the neighborhood actually have the same shutters that we do. As you'll see here, we have a nice grand living room, very open, very spacious. Nice chandelier up there as well. This couch is very comfy. It's also comfy for the critters. If you want to follow me over here, you'll actually see one of our special guests staying the night. Though I think he might be staying with us a little longer, staying here a little longer than us. All right. Stepping into the kitchen over here. Very cool area. Got some water defrosting, if you know what I mean. And right behind you, you got your first sink. Very convenient, close to the first kitchen sink. And what I like to call the Harry Potter bathroom. Very tight, very cozy, but you know, can make it work. Just like Harry did. We got a little dining area, fridge. That was the main thing we really used. We didn't eat much inside because, come on. There's so much good street food all around. To the left there, you got a TV. It's not plugged in. It's not working right now, but great aesthetic. Along with the 2-fan coolant system. This is really the show right here, all right? Everyone just sits against the couch and just stares at the fan because that's how hot it gets. It's really comfy, very cozy. Sometimes we just sit in a circle and just talk around the fans. If you turn around there, you got the 3 wise men. A classic, very cool decor. And we'll slowly make our way upstairs then. This unit's actually 3 floors, so every day we get to do the Stairmaster for free. Well, I guess we're paid to stay here, but we got the security room, room 1. This is to make sure that no one sneaks out at night and no one sneaks in. Hasn't happened, so you know this is actually a quiet room. Little short, but got some of the best AC. We're also the lowest bedroom here, so very cool temperature-wise. You could feel as we step up the temperature rising. It's pretty cool. Physics actually in action. So on the second floor here, we have a room to our left and right. And to the left, we actually have the most comfortable bedroom, which is why everyone is just lounging here. The bedroom has a bed not made out of bamboo. I actually haven't sat on it, but let's see. Oh Lord, I guess 5 people are sleeping on this tonight. Oh yeah. We got another wet bath here. Not too tight, not too bad. A little better than the Harry Potter one downstairs, but you know, oh, Steven is now wet. That is why we like to wear slippers. This ensures that we don't get the floors wet everywhere, all right? Now, if you follow me to the next room over here on the second floor, we have what I like to call the green room. This is where the magic happens. I don't know what kind of magic, but that's what magic is, guys. You don't know how to explain it, but right here, this is magic. This is magic. Now, we got a little fan here. It's really cute, and we also have AC in this room, but this room doesn't stay as cool as some of the other rooms because it's on the second floor. We also have another wet bath. I'd like to let you know that 2 people have showered in that one, not at the same time. And we'll head on up to the 3rd floor. Ooh, it's getting hot up here. So, as we head up to the 3rd floor, oh, actually, before that, we have a 2.5 floor secret room. This is where we punish people. Oh, dusty. Oh, even more dusty. All right, let's go up to the largest room, also the warmest room right now. This is another beautiful bedroom with lots of lighting. Across the way, you can see some of the statues and other people's living situations. We don't really like to stare too much, so usually we keep the curtains closed, but we have it open for some nice lighting. As you can see here, we got another wet bath. Not too bad. About the same as the second floor where we have the most comfortable bed, but you know, ultimately I'd like to say that Anthony's has probably got the best shower there. Lastly, I'd like to point out Mr. Bowling Pin over there. You know, he's actually the fourth wise man. I don't know why they decided to separate him, but you know, sometimes you need a little bit of wisdom when you're living up on the third floor. So actually there's a third and a half floor. If we head up this way, whew, it is so hot. We have the laundry area. This is one of the best laundry areas that I've known, only because we have the AC pumping out all the hot air. So this actual area is hotter than the outside, even though it is connected to the outside. So we have hot air coming out of here, do our laundry, and then we have a nice view of all the tin roofs out here. So very comfortable. Thanks for that shot of all my underwear, Stephen. All right, I'm just about ready to wrap this up. It's really hot. So I'm gonna head back in, stay cool. We'll check you out on the next one. Cheers.